only going to take 30 seconds, guys. It's going to be good. I can't wait to play, man. I've been playing a lot today, guys. Because I had to figure out this boss. I'm coming. Okay, checking YouTube. And I don't see it. Someone's watching on YouTube. Why don't I see it on YouTube? Your channel. Live. Oh, yeah. It's there. There's just no thumbnail. I saw it. Okay, I just gotta go with this, guys. Okay, let me be sure it's on Twitch. Yeah, it's up on Twitch. Okay, do we try and put a thumbnail, guys? You guys are like, no! Yeah, you guys are here. Cool. Ooh. Dave Joyce, hey Charlie, time for Elden Ring. You know it, man. You know it. And I'm gonna put my freaking I made a thumbnail, guys. Game, Elden Ring. No, it didn't tag it. This is probably how I'm gonna have to do this from now on. And if I gotta move the gaming streams to YouTube and Twitch, I will. I ain't fixing to freaking move the chess streams anywhere anytime soon. The chess stream is just so Facebook, you know what I mean? All right, guys. Good. Now I'm freaking done. Now I'm done. I'm coming, guys. I know you don't believe me, but I literally just maximized the game. Game is up. Oh, it's like starting all over again, guys. It's like starting all... Do you guys remember who was here? Someone was here. Someone was here. One of you guys was there. One of you guys was there like when we first started. And this chat is effing tiny. Yeah, I can't read chat. The chat is ready to display messages. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mute that. And I'm going to take this chat and I'm going to turn it up, guys. I'm going to make it bigger. I had to make it small for the screen, right? Let me try that. Okay, good. Let me see if it got bigger. Did it get bigger? Time for Elden Ring. Hey, Kevin, how you doing, man? Thanks for coming, dude. Thank you guys so much. Change one thing in your life and everything goes straight ahead, guys. You know that? Because now, you know what I can do? I could pull YouTube up. There we go. That's what I'll do. I'm going to pull YouTube up and we are going to be focusing on YouTube chat tonight, guys. That's all I can do. This is the only thing I can do right now. So if you guys want to get involved with chat, or yeah, I mean, hey guys on Kick and Twitch, man, you can chat amongst yourselves for sure, right? But and I put the thumbnail there, and it gives for you guys. Cool. We go here, mute that. I get alerts right there. Oh, Dave Joyce, time for Elden Ring. Nearly fire giant, time for my frostbite bleed mage. Kevin Cook says, hey, Charlie, Zachary Taylor, hey. They, guys, man. Woo! It's been a day, but you know what? Like I said, guys, they can slow me down, but they can't stop me. And believe me, they have been trying to stop me. They've been trying to stop me, guys. I cannot believe it. But we're here. Okay, chat is there. I don't need this, so chat is better presented here. Ooh, that's perfect. All right, guys. Okay, now, welcome to the Elden Ring stream after dark. What are you guys doing on a Saturday freaking night, man? What are you guys doing on a Saturday night? Oh my goodness. I'm going to tell you guys, like I said, I got up early and did a lot of work today. I did a lot of work today, guys. On just a bunch of different stuff that had to be done, right? Like preparing for the chillers get together. I had to do that, guys. And then what else? We got Twitch chat. So I spent a lot of time doing that. I spent my whole freaking day setting up and testing as much as I could. Not my whole day, my whole morning, 4 hours. And I'm like, it's good. It's good. We're good to go for live streaming to the multiple platforms and making Facebook okay, because Facebook's being a hassle right now. And guess what happened? We got the echo. It's okay. I need to figure out a way to do that off stream. You know what I think I might do, Dave Joyce? What I might do is make another page. Charlie Sardo Gaming Test page. Stream to that. You know what I'm saying? That's the move. That's the move. Then I can test it. Okay, so basically, if you guys remember, dang, why this not notify us when you went live? Well, Caleb, I'm not live on Facebook, and I did send a live alert in the live alert broadcast channel. On YouTube, you might need to go to, you see the little bell up at the top, notifications, and you might see a little bell somewhere near my stream to where you can set the bell for notifications. Okay, I'm going to take you guys back to last night because it's time to play games, man. Last night, I was like coming in like this, right? And I was like, oh, well, he was bum rushing me, right? And I was trying to get a moon off, and then I was going, and I couldn't get away. I just want to get my moon off. I just want to get the moon off. Get the moon off. And I freaking just was like, I mean, this is actually really good. I wasn't making it this far. Last night, if you guys were here for the end of this, it was horrible. Knocked me off the freaking edge. I don't even care. That is like the last 5 pulls you guys saw last night. Or last night, or yesterday. Yesterday. It was freaking horrible. Okay, I am going to go ahead and shut the music up now, guys. Because we are in, we're settled. Okay. I need to like shut the music off. Okay. So, that's what my Maliketh pull looked like last time, okay? This time, I have trinkets on I might not even use for the kill. I put trinkets on to survive longer, so I can learn to fight. You know what I mean? Change to all. There you go. Caleb, thank you, man. Yeah, that might be a great idea. At least then I can... Yeah, man, because let me tell you something. It's rough. It's rough. It's like you're trying to be professional, okay? The hardcore... You guys aren't going to be like, oh, Charlie has an echo. I hate him. Unfollow. You're not going to do that. Because it's not... My whole stream is a cluster F. But, you know, it's not good. So check me out now, guys. Just check me out now. And this probably... I didn't even buff. I didn't even buff because I don't care, guys. Jump. Oh, now I'm jumping that. I'm jumping those laser beams. I jumped early. I'm jumping those laser beams in the ground like probably 3 out of 5. Like most of the time. You guys will see. Most of the time. I'm going to go ahead and buff this time because this will be the exact build. Earlier today when I was testing this, I just was getting phase 2 like, you know, 3 times in a row and then miss one, then a couple more and then miss one. And then I was just trying to get second phase down. It's so hard. Phase 2 is so hard, guys. And so I was just fighting. Got him to 30%, got him to 20%, had like a 15%. And then I freaking was fighting him on my last attempt. I looked up, and he was one hit. All I had to do was shoot him. He was going to be dead. So I just ran away. I was trying to run to the door and jump off the cliff so I wouldn't give him the satisfaction. But it didn't work like that. He ended up killing me before. And check out what I'm doing, too. I'm gold vowing here. Wait. If I use the right one. Gold vowing here. And then I am going to physic inside before phase 2. I hit him. And the worst thing he hits me with, guys, is the see that? See that, guys? I could not dodge that. Is the forward dagger punch. Forward dagger punch, he hits me every time. Not every time. But it's all about range, guys. It's all about range. That one. That's the one he hits me with sometimes. I'm like not even caring right now because I'm going to phase 2 if I want to. But I'm gonna have to get near a pillar so we can. No, that might do it. Good, it missed. It missed, guys. Gonna flask up. Top off. Now, whenever I come out of this, it's always dangerous too. Phase 2, buffed with the flask. Now, phase 2's rough, guys. I'm not even saying we got this, man. I watched Wonders from my job. Already tired of this cold weather. Oh, Caleb, I bet, man. See, but were you? Who was here for phase 1 yesterday? Was it yesterday or the night before? It was horrible. Now I'm in there. I'm all relaxed. I'm like, okay, time to buff. Get behind it. Guys, I don't know how many attempts I did today. I did a few. I had to get. I didn't want to get to where I just knew I could kill him. You know what I mean? But phase 1, I had to get phase 1 down so I could get some attempts on phase 2, right? Which is what I did. So now we'll see if we'll get phase 2. If not, you guys can see what phase 1 looks like. You know what I mean? Okay, I died once, but you know what I'm saying. The beautiful Maliketh. I always want to shoot him. Maliketh cutscene is so cool. It is, man. That phase 1 boss has been totally neutered for me. He's turned into nothing. I mean, it's not that he can't kill me, but he almost never does. You know what I mean? I think I had one hit. That was a mistake. Oh, I don't have health up. Oh boy, I got lucky there, guys. Okay, get it up. Get the health up. I should have healed there. Okay, I should have healed. Come on, let's get it. Let's get him down a little. You know, an attack that they told in some of the guides, he never does. I want to see him. I want to see him. I don't want him to start an attack. Come on. Bad. See what I'm talking about? Dead! Dead! First freaking phase 2 attempt of the freaking night. Dead. Done. Phase 2 is so hard. Yeah, no, phase 2 is hard. Phase 2 is hard. I probably did... I was watching another stream, guys. I was watching another Elden Ring stream, and I was just phase 1-ing. And I'm like, oh, okay. Let me watch a little guide, get my distance down. I'm like, okay, this is easy now. This is easy now. This is fun. Then I was walking into phase 2. Die. I'm like, okay, you can't attack right out of the gate. Yeah, man. I just did it. Guys, no rune arc, no summons, and I'll show you my trinkets. I'll show you guys my trinkets. That, I can't believe I did it. Dude, guys, I just killed him basically twice in a row because I'm telling you, I had full health and he had no health. I almost accidentally killed him on my last attempt. So I'm like, you gotta stop. These guys are invested. These guys get to see the kill, you know? And usually I'll get good with you guys, but last night was it last night, man? I can't remember. I got no sense of time, guys. The last stream. I'll just say last stream. That don't sound so dumb. Last stream, you guys sat there for like 15 phase 1. And I was horrible. I was horrible. Yeah, big oof, dude. I feel so good. This boss I have learned. Okay, Elden Beast and Radagon. I think I know them both. I know their attacks. Okay? I don't know all of Radagon's attacks. But Elden Beast, when I see him do something, if I've got him on the camera, I know what's coming every time. You know what I'm saying? Radagon, pretty much. But this boss here, it's the first one that I really feel like I just... One thing I wasn't doing wrong, I'm all over the place, guys, because I'm freaking, I can't believe I just freaking killed him, guys, because I couldn't kill him. I couldn't kill him. I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see all the deaths. You had the timing down pretty darn good there, especially when he got spammy with the Ashes of War. Yeah, not too bad, man. I got nailed by one and almost killed, I think, right? But on the 3 swipes, the 3 disc things he shoots at you, and then he comes at you, I managed to dodge. That was a death. I mean, I was supposed to die there because I don't have it down perfect. I managed to dodge the last one, and that's a great time to get a couple shots in. All I have to do is get the timing down. Now, I can't get the timing down. You know why? Because we already are at the Ashen Capital. We're already here. This, I think, is going to be way easier than Maliketh, man. I don't know. I'm going to get buffed up. Oh my God, my heart is pumping, guys. That was so much fun. That was so much fun, man. Yeah, wow. Just walked in and killed him, man. Just walked in and killed Maliketh, man. After, if you guys want to see, the improvement, watch the last Elden Ring stream. Either here or on Facebook, and you will see me completely sucking in phase 1. I think I got to... Did I get to phase 2 once? I think I might have, and I died instantly. Gideon's going to be tricky because he's going to jump around, guys. Gideon's going to jump around. I wonder if I should do like that storm attack. Oh, I'll tell you something else funny about this, guys. Look, I have 2 spells on my bar. Look at this. Okay, I've got this on my bottom bar. My physic and my health and my mana. Up here, I got Glintstone, Ice Crag, and Golden Bough. That's it. Okay? Check out the trinkets for this. This was testing trinkets, guys. Raises potency of sorceries, boost physical damage, and I put this one. Vastly raises maximum XP. And for a while, I was using a bubble tier 2. Because I just wanted to stay alive longer on phase 2 to get a vibe, man. To get some kind of vibe. He's not that scary. You can't, the thing about both those guys, you can't be too far away from them. You can't be. You want to be the distance I was on, my distance on phase 2 probably wasn't perfect because he moves around a lot. Phase 1, that you want to be just enough to where when he starts to do a swipe or something, you can just get out of the way. And that distance made such a difference. Okay, we are going to try and kill this guy quick. I don't have a nuke. Caleb says, I forget to post those screenshots when you got the puppets. That's cool, man. You know what? They came in and saw, you know, I thought they might not see it, you know. Is this your first time playing, or have you got a new game or what? Different characters. Big oof. I have a bunch of different characters, but this is my NG plus 8. Then I have like some NG plus 4, NG plus 4, NG plus 2. This is my 19th playthrough. If we kill Elden Beast tonight, which I'm hoping it and planning on it. If I do, it will be by far the shortest playthrough I've ever done. Because usually, like, once I get to the Elden Beast, I'll be like, hey, let's go kill some dragons. We'll go kill Fia's dragon. We'll go kill the Rot dragon. You know what I'm saying? The poopy magic dragon for Malena or whatever, you know, at the church. He does the magic breath, blue stuff out of it. That guy, you know the guy? Yeah, usually I'll do stuff like this. This playthrough, I mean, I haven't killed Placidux yet. And we went and played with them the other night when the Maliketh deal was not working. I guess I'm going to go to equipment. I don't think he's going to do a lot of physical damage. I think he does a lot of magical damage. Am I right, guys? I'm going to put magic damage on, and then this here, I'm going to get crazy. You know what I was going to do? The only thing I had left to test. Well, no, not necessarily. But this Crimson Amber medallion that gives you more health. If I didn't kill Maliketh in a few attempts, I was going to come and get the magic scorpion charm. Even though you take more damage, you do more damage. Now, I'm wondering if I should like run up and do the spinny thing. Oh, I don't have a grace though. So we have to go with what we have, guys, with our spells. And he's going to dodge everything. Charlie doesn't really do PvP. I don't, man. How good should be PvP skills are? Yeah, I don't, man. I'm not really big into PvP. Dave Joyce says I'm currently using Magic Scorpion Charm, but might switch out of it for endgame and PvP, not keen on the extra damage taken. It's pretty rough, man. It's pretty freaking rough, the extra damage. This sucks because I'm going to nail him with a Glintstone Ice Crag or two, and then he's just going to start dodging. And it's going to be... This is going to be a full cluster. And I'm pretty far away from a grace, so I would rather just kill him now. Let's go ahead and get the buffs ready, guys. I literally practiced buffing by the grace. I practiced drinking my flask, and switching back, switching my weapon, doing the golden vow, switching my weapon back, changing the spell back. I practiced all that, guys, today earlier. So, and look, you see how much time phase 1 will give you? If you need a minute, you can just run behind a pillar. I'm literally not even looking at the screen. I mean, I'm kind of looking at the screen, but I'm kind of just doing this, and he gives you plenty of time, man. Dude, this right here is going to be humbling. After what I just did to Maliketh, I've had cluster F fights with Gideon when I don't have any kind of a nuke, or I don't have well, we'll see. Let's just kill him, guys. I'm just better. Let's just be better. Let's just be... Oh, wait. I should have done this first. Now we're going to go ahead and re-hit this and drink. All right, let's do it. Let's just... he's going to dodge everything. I might have to get a different spell. Got him again.
She'll take the throne.
Dude. Okay, I don't want any part of that. I don't want any part of that. Does he run out of mana? He heals too. Dude, he sucks, man. If you think... he didn't heal again, did he? If he healed again, I'm going to be mad. What? Okay, I take it back. Whoa! Dude, he almost mutualed me, man. Maybe I, you know, maybe I overestimated Gideon, or maybe the times I had problems with Gideon was like back in the day when I was first learning how to play the game, man. I got a bunch off. Yeah, a few of those I got off weren't hitting him. You got this. Let's freaking go. Truth, welcome, man. Welcome to the stream. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. We are going to absolutely kill all of the Elden Ring Shadow of the Erd Tree expansion, guys. We're gonna be, oh my god, we're going to be doing that like crazy. This is my 19th playthrough. It's NG plus 8. This is my second no summons. I'm not a Souls player. It's my first. This is my first Souls game. So I didn't. You say get good? Like I just had to get playing. I mean I was started with nothing. I started with a freaking rock sling and a meteor staff. Okay, that was my first playthrough. And I always use summons. Always use summons. My challenge one time I did the big bonk, and I think that was like an NG plus 2 or something. And I did the big bonk. We got the 2 big bonks, the Royal Knights Resolve only on one hammer because I suck so bad I can't Royal Knights Resolve them both in time. I'm on mouse and keyboard, by the way. And that was my I did a no summons playthrough with the big bonk, but that's kind of a cheese scenario. This is it might be OP. I've got 2 Dark Moon Greatswords plus 10 I don't really use, and that was kind of what I thought I was going to use, but now I'm using magic and I freaking love it. And so this is my second no summons playthrough I've ever done in Elden Ring, man. And I mean, I guess I just have no confidence in myself because I almost can't even believe I just killed Maliketh. I can't. Anytime I kill any boss, I almost can't believe it. It's weird. Hey, Jeff Conley! No coming soon, Zwarts. Dude, you guys, I feel so bad. So many of you guys sat in that freaking coming soon screen for 16 minutes. I love you guys. I love you guys. And I know most of those guys, anyone that did, that's not here right now, you know, they're not you guys. I appreciate it. I ran into a freaking problem and I appreciate it. Also, have you thought about playing modded Elden Ring? There's cool mods that can randomize the game or even add more content. Big oof. I've considered it, man. I have considered it. We're so close, hopefully, to DLC. I'll tell you this. If we get an announcement, Little Aggie was talking about it, and he said, I'm not on team. We're going to get it real soon. Like everyone was saying March, and then they were saying that the 2-year anniversary, what's that, February 20th or something? Little Aggie's like, well, maybe we'll get a, maybe he's just doesn't want to have his hopes up. Maybe we'll get an announcement when it's going to come out. If they give us an announcement, it's like 6 months away, I'm probably going to start playing some mods, guys. Probably going to start playing some mods. It's chill, brother. Technical difficulty, poopies happen. They do, man. They do, Truth. Thank you, man. Failed the fool. So, let's talk trinkets for this, guys. I call them trinkets. They're talisman. I don't know if we want magic damage as much as maybe a Pearl Drake. This freaking thing just seems to make everything okay. The Dragon Crest Great Shield Talisman. It really does. I'm gonna be squishy. And I'm gonna have to freaking dodge. I'm not gonna... we just did this on the... Was it on the Madness build? I just did this on the Madness playthrough. And I was using summons, but with the summons, some of us were too far away from... who is this guy we're fighting now? Is it Godric, the last... Elden Lord or whatever the hell his name is. 19 playthrough. This is my 19th Godfrey, and I don't freaking know. I don't even know who he is. I don't even care. I don't even know his name. He was doing the floor stomp, spamming it, and it was just die, 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 die. I was jumping those little knives that Maliketh was shooting on the ground. So I think my jumping is pretty ready. Another thing I could try is melee in this guy, but no. I think it's definitely going to be this spell right here, the Glintstone Ice Crag. It's more narrow though. Okay, it's chill, brother. Technically difficult. Yeah, okay. Horaloo. Yeah, Horaloo's after phase 2 of this, and Horaloo is always. Horaloo phase 2 is. I'm not as scared as I was of Maliketh phase 2, but it's gonna be a challenge, guys. It's gonna be a challenge. Let us goal vow. It's hardly gonna last for a couple minutes. Do I even have summons available? I don't even have summons available, guys. See, because I didn't do all the quests. Well, why is Nefeli not here? Oh, does she not show up here if I ever puppet? That sucks. Would she be here? No, she's at the other one at the beginning or something. Okay, I like online, but I don't like all of the amigos messages in front of the door. Okay? We're just going to run in, guys, get a little feeler. Yeah, for sure, Dark 3 is more linear. Great game, though. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let us get a golden vow. Let's hit this. Let's put this back. Let's take this up. And let's get to work. You guys want to watch a cutscene? Cutscene, guys. 1 second.
It's been a long while.
It's been a long while. Morgoth. You guys are like, I can hear him. Charlie, don't read it. You're annoying me. Cutscenes rule. Yeah, they're kind of cool, man.
Long and hard didst thou fight. Tarnished.
What's up, chillers? Cameron Ayers, how you doing? Hey, man, how's it going today? Devin Lentz, welcome.
Gold.
Facebook wasn't happening tonight, guys. I had a problem with Facebook yesterday, and then I had a problem with Facebook tonight, in addition to the echo. In addition to the echo, guys. So I'm just like, I don't know what to do. I'll figure it out, though. I will freaking know what to do. Believe me, I'll never go hungry again. So I'll figure it out, guys. But thank you guys, all the Facebook guys came over here to watch. That would give us a chat. We got a chat going, folks. If you guys, 695 subs. There's no way we hit 700 subs tonight. Dude, I didn't think I was going to hit 700 subs.
To be granted.
Dude, we need 1K, bro. And 4,000 watch hours. And it's all on me. It's not on you guys. It's on me. It's on me. I got to make that happen, guys. But, you like what you see? Hit the sub button and hit the bell with live notifications.
Upon my name as God.
Dave Joyce with the like. Kevin Cook with the like. Rio with the like. Thank you guys with the likes. Those are probably likes from Facebook, though. It is going to be a tough fight, man. Look how much damage. Look how much damage. Look how much damage. I'm getting 2-shot, guys. I mean, almost 1-shotted. Now, don't get me wrong. That was really bad. Can you guys believe same guy? Same player. That just first attempt on Maliketh tonight killed him, and I had him one hit on the attempt off stream, and I didn't kill him because I want to save it for you guys. And Maliketh is freaking rough, man. Maliketh is rough, right? Same guy that just did that, but it's just about getting familiar with the fights, man. Okay, I'm not gonna let that happen again, guys. We're gonna do some damage before he kills us. I want to see how my poopies hit him. Plus, we don't have the cutscene now, guys. Let's get in there. Let's get in there! Like Facebook, you could do a reply and chat. At person's name. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. I knew that was early. Drinking. Shooting. I rolled too early. That's okay. Hey, that roll wasn't bad. Oh! Whoa, I panic rolled through that, guys. He's a stomper, guys. He's a stomper. Yep. Why will I not slow down on that roll, guys? Okay, did we not get better? I didn't get good, but we almost saw phase 2, right? You don't have to kill him all the way to 0, doesn't he? Doesn't he stop switch around 40%? Jeff Conley, you're not on Facebook. Tried to find you, Jeff. Yeah, I was having problems with Facebook last night, and today, I'm not done with Facebook. Believe me, guys, this is not the switch. Yeah, no. But guys, there's not going to be any switch. But if there ever is, like, subs are going to know about it. You know what I'm saying? You guys are going to hear about it. I am not. But here's the thing. I have to get my foot in these other platforms. If I would have done it 3 years ago, all the hours of streaming I put in, guys, I would be monetized on Twitch and YouTube, and maybe be doing even better there. You know what I'm saying? And I it's just time. It's just time to where I have to start putting time into those other things. Restreaming is a way to do it, but I had a problem with Facebook's thing last night. It didn't tag my game, and so they basically demonetized my video. That's bad for my Facebook stream. My Facebook stream is the golden child. Okay, it's the golden child of Facebook streams. I always got everything. I always got everything from Facebook because of you guys. Because I had this great community, and it was very, like marketable to them because no cussing, no Grand Theft Auto, no, all that stuff, right? That's why I took the squirrels away, guys. The squirrels. That's why I took them away, guys. And like for me to have a video, I don't boost my videos anyway, but to see one that says boost unavailable, I'm offended. Did I screw up? I guess kind of. I didn't have the right workaround. And so I did that tonight. The first time I went live, it showed up in my stream. But there was a problem. So I restarted the stream real quick. And when I came back, it wouldn't show it. Some people got notifications because you guys were watching it. I couldn't find my own stream. They did not show it in my freaking feed. I don't understand. Yeah, so it's sorry for all the malarkey, guys. Can you guys tell? A little bit frustrated because Facebook's where we make the living, guys. Facebook's very, very important. But I'm like, you know what? We can run a stream on Twitch and YouTube. This will be fun. Give me time to drink. Well, I had 1,000,000 hours to beat that. Too early. So am I supposed to jump that? I feel like I'll land in the weeds anyway. What am I doing wrong on that and I know that poopy I gotta stay out of. See, because if I just jump that, I'm gonna land back in. Oh, I gotta stay closer to him and roll through it, huh? I can watch the tube on the TV. It rules, says Truth. Nice. Add Truth on Facebook under a different name, maybe one of his regulars. Yeah, who is Truth? Who is Truth? Tried to find it. Yeah, sorry about that, Jeff. Jeff, are you on the live broadcast channel? If you go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook, at the top there's a pinned thing. It's called our live alert broadcast channel. And if you go, it's a private messenger. I don't send you any messages. I don't try and sell you anything. But when I say we're live playing Elden Ring, I went back and I sent another one. Said we're live playing Elden Ring on. I said Facebook's tripping. We're on playing Elden Ring on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. But I said come to YouTube because this is where I'd rather. And now I have to get some kind of multi-chat and get this all set up to do this in emergencies if Facebook's being a problem. When I do chess, I'll stream chess on Facebook only to Facebook. Whatever I gotta freaking do, guys. Whatever I gotta do, man. Like I said, if I gotta work twice as hard, I'll work twice as hard. I don't care. I've been wanting to work twice as hard anyway. I was just hoping to get more results. I don't want Facebook to be slowing me down with this malarkey. Okay, drink that. Oh yeah. So what am I doing wrong with the thing? Oh, Truth is Jay Williams. Truth is Jay Williams, guys. You can tell it by the way he's talking. I turned on Charlie 65 the other night. It was awesome. Cool. So stay closer. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be out of range of that. No! Dude, that... And then I died. Yeah. I have to roll sideways. I have to roll sideways. I have to roll sideways out of those to get the hell out of them. Yeah. Problems with the delay, but that wasn't Facebook. That was me spending about 3 hours this morning. I spent an hour, I had to call a hotel. I had to figure out how to make an event on Facebook for the official Chillers gathering. We're having an in real life gathering, and I was working on that for a while, and then I worked on a workaround so I could restream to the different platforms and Facebook at the same time. And I'm like, I got this. And then Facebook didn't show my stream. I'm like, I'm not live on Facebook. Then I get notifications that people are watching it. I click on it and I see my video. I'm like, I go back to my page, I refresh. They weren't posting it on my own page. Something's wrong, man. Something's wrong. And the game was tagged. Well, it wasn't the same problem as last night, so I don't know. It's freaking horrifying, man. It's horrifying, guys. It really is. It's a little bit disconcerting. It's like showing up to work and the door's locked. And you're like, You know what I'm saying? It's like that. Okay, I guess I'll come back tomorrow, see if I still have a job. I do. But you understand what I'm saying? It's a little bit disconcerting like that. I have to roll sideways on the kicks, guys. Why am I even doing that? Why am I rolling? Gotta roll sideways. Sideways. Always changing things, I would say. Copying others. Start jumping. But I'm going to land in the spikes, though. Won't I, Dave Joyce? Let me read that in a minute. He hit me. That sucked. So jump. But I feel like they're going to hit me. Oh, wow. That one's got range on it, guys. He's going to be easy if you think about it, though, guys. And I'm panicking. I'm panic rolling. So you're saying I can jump those? I would just jumping straight and not avoid the ground spike, similar to the attack the Crucible Knight do, and jumping avoids that attack against him. Okay, let's try it. Do the stream on the big screen is the coolest. I love Facebook stream, but this is clutch as well. Very cool, guys. You guys can't go on Facebook on your freaking big screen? I can. I have a Samsung, and all the way on the right in all the menus, there's a thing called Internet. I clicked on Internet. I went to Facebook. I had to log in, and I have Facebook on my big screen. Yeah. So you guys might be able to get that too, if you so desired. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. This. Whoa, come on, it's a freak. God, they're burning my freaking, those messages burning my freaking, my golden vow, bro. I'm gonna try and jump him. Okay, that was, okay, and I just need to slow down, start learning some of the speed on these things. Like when he goes to drag behind him, it's like you gotta chill. One thing I noticed, guys, when I got better at Maliketh today, I realized I'm like half watching the bosses, half peripheраling the bosses, half panic rolling. I'm not like really watching the bosses, guys, even after all these playthroughs. And I think I need to be watching them more. Do you guys know what I'm saying? You guys are probably like, yeah, it's a Souls game, Charlie. Might want to watch the boss. It's the whole point of the game. But I realized I wasn't doing it enough. And so, and like that right there, I wasn't. But I jumped one. Oh my God. There we go. That was early. We talked about this. I should have jumped it. Ah, get out! Oh, I rolled it. A lot of health pots, guys. And didn't jump it. Sorry, Dave. And Yeah. Okay. Hey, we had one whole segment of damage that I avoided. That's a start, right? Never tried Facebook on my TV, but I'm not the only one who uses TV. I don't know if I want to stay signed in. Got you, Caleb. Sure. Use a jump if you stay close and pay attention. He telegraphs everything really well, says DM. Yeah. I believe you, man. I got to get the timing down, and I don't really know the attacks because, like I said, this is my 19th. This is God Free or God Rick. Tell me and I'll write it down because I'll still forget. But this is my 19th kill, and I don't know his moveset. I never needed to. Big Bonk, I ran up and freaking one-shotted him into freaking Horaloo. Maybe I hit him twice. And then every other playthrough I've had summons. And all I have to do is like run away and heal and do damage, run away and heal and do damage in phase 2. You know what I mean? So this is Godfrey. Okay, Godfrey. Gilbert. Like Gilbert. We're going to call this guy Gilbert, okay? Because he's already bothering me, but nothing like Maliketh. After what I did to Maliketh today, guys, oh my god, I feel so good. What I should have done is watch some videos to try and figure this out. I tried to jump the freaking swing. I jumped the spikes as prescribed. I just literally freaking killed Maliketh on my first attempt, but like I said, I was comfortable because I had done some attempts. 25 people watching, only 8 likes. Smash the likes, peeps. Oh my god. We're at 695 subs, guys. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring After Dark, and sometimes in the mornings too, guys. I'm a professional streamer. I stream 30 to 40 hours a week, like that. I'm not like real hardcore, but I am full time. I mean, I quit my day job a long time ago. This is what we do. I'm a Facebook gaming partner, and I came to build my YouTube channel and go live here. We're not live on Facebook right now. I always stream to Facebook. So if you guys like what you see, throw me a sub, man. And I've got some of those big bonk things I'm talking about and stuff. There's some shorts, some YouTube shorts here. There's content here, not a ton of it, but there's content here for if you guys throw me a sub, check it out, or check it out anyway. Sub me later. Okay, that's okay. It's still okay. It's still okay because you know what? I'm like, okay, you have to jump and then you have to roll, and it's like I'm free. All his attacks don't come that fast. The stomp is the thing I got to worry about. The stomp is the thing I got to worry about. The stomp is the thing I got to worry about. Right? Don't you guys agree? That freaking oh, I wonder if anyone subs. I bet people have subbed since we started the stream though, because I'm at 695 and I was not at 695. I was at 669 or 670 something or something. How's the boss fights been going? Devin Lentz, man, if you missed it, you're going to want to see the beginning of the stream. Because if you were here to see me failing, like I'm failing right now, failing at Maliketh, I took care of it. I took care of him on the first attempt, man. And it was actually, it wasn't perfect. I'm not a professional Souls player, guys. But, we took care of it, man. Okay, I have to remember not to panic. When I gotta jump that thing on the floor, just jump it and then wait for the swing. No! I didn't jump it. Oh no, I'm gonna get hit by that too. Okay, that's okay. Slow down. That's what I gotta do, guys. Oh no! He has a straight jab. He has a straight jab, guys. He has a straight jab. Is this phase 2? Hey! We're making progress, guys. Making progress. 697. No way! Awesome to hear, Devin. Dude, this is the first phase 2 of the night, man, guys. What was it, like 4 or 5 attempts? This is my first, guys. I don't know. You know what? When you don't use summons, guys, you have to play Elden Ring, and it's scary, guys. Playing Elden Ring is scary. Okay, wait. I forget the move. And usually at this point, if I went to Horaloo without a summons, I would just die. I'm a better player now. I don't know what's going to happen. I know I got to run away from the grab. And I know it's probably some of the same stuff. Jump when he stomps. Phase 2, let's go. Robert Stock, thank you, brother. Good luck, man. I appreciate that very much, guys. 19 watching, 695. So mine's just not updating is what it is. Okay, because you said 697.
Courtesy enough.
This guy's a real punk when he spams certain moves. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to have to learn how to dance with this guy. I'm going to have to learn how to dance with this guy. And if I'm not making consistent progress, plus the phase 1s are going to get better. Phase 1s are going to get better, guys, because I just survived one, right? Okay. I just survived one. And then we're going to start learning how to dance with this fool. Did I run too far? I didn't even see him grab me. What was that? Was that on the floor from phase 1? Tell me that was not on the floor from phase 1. Robert Stock, was that on the floor from phase 1? I think it was. I think it was. I think that was left over from phase 1, guys. I really do. I really do. You know why? I'll tell you why. Because what was that? Yeah. Thank you, DM. It wasn't really even a glitch. It's just the way the game is. It was a previous attack. The cutscene triggered right before. Yes, that's exactly right, Devin Lentz. Dude, dude, I don't know how far away I have to run. I know it's not too far, but I just wanted to, I was just running away from him, so I didn't get grabbed. Then I was going to turn around and whack him a little bit. I was going to drink when he grabbed, and then, no, because they were talking about on Maliketh, phase 1, if you have his poise, like, almost broken, like, or they said, like, try not to break his poise, because it will carry over into phase 2. You know what I'm saying? And so if you break his poise down and kill him, if you could time it, then you'll get a poise break on phase 2 very early. That was funny. Yeah. Dude, this game screws you so many ways. I wouldn't even want them to change that. I love that. I'm like, what just happened? It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys. We got this. I play mouse and keyboard, by the way, guys. It's a little bit crazy. I just still can't learn to use my mouse wheel. Is there a way to reset your sensitivity on your mouse wheel? It's so sensitive. I barely touch it. It goes 2 spots. Okay. A lot of jump and then roll sideways. Oh my god, wrong weapon. A little late. Oh, I didn't know that was coming. Yeah, I didn't know that was coming. I could have not tried to roll out of that. Running is faster than rolling, isn't it, guys? And I could have waited and tried to time the jump. Like a little baby. Get the baby. I love escaping the glitches. Make it funnier. I agree, Jester. Charlie, we all have confidence in you. You will get this one way or another. I'll tell you something my son told me when the first time I saw the ball farm, guys. The ball farm. And I'm like, I called my son. I'm like, yeah, there's this thing called the ball farm, and you could like get like 1,300 runes every time, and it only takes 12 seconds. Or I'm explaining the ball farm to him. I said, but like, is that like an exploit? Like, am I gonna get like, could I get like banned or something for that? My son's like, Dad, he said this game screws you so bad. If you have a chance to screw the game, he said you screw the game back. I said, Okay. And he explained souls to me, guys. That pretty much, this guy is overpowered at the moment. You think so? I think maybe I'm a little overpowered, folks. I think I'm getting way better. I had a good phase 1 last pull. But, you know, something, it's not because I was great, right? This is all experience. That last pull wasn't as good as the one before, but I got a lot out of that. I really did. And this is the plan, folks. We just get a little bit better, kill a fool, and then kill the Elden Beast. I would love to do that. Let's go! Let's get it! I guess you can come on and tell us something. I can send one. Totally freaking blowing it. Why will I not jump? Gotta jump. Have to jump. If jump was on the space bar, I would jump. That was a little early. See, I'm running aside. Oh my god. I try to jump. I try to jump. See, I feel like I'm trying to strafe the side a little bit more to more easily beat like that big thing you just got me with. I could never run a magic build, just like going straight head to head. Big damage, Chester. Very cool. Yeah. I have not done a lot of melee builds. Dave Joyce is a Lenderized ball in K-Lid. I rinsed that so many times on my first playthrough. Yeah. And I cheesed the Night Cavalry with the poison on like my first maybe 4 or 5 playthroughs or something. And then they fixed it. That was a nice one too. But then you can make them jump off the cliff. And I see people still do it, but I feel like it doesn't work for me anymore. I don't know, man. Can you still cheese the Knights Cavalry off the cliff, guys? Anyone know? Maybe we'll go check it. Money from my bank to yours, but I'm guessing because you're not monetized yet. Yeah, super chat. I'm close to super chats, but I'm not super chatted yet. And you know what I did there? I thought he was going to do the foot attack. Crazy. I just wasted a health pot too. So I just want to see Horaloo again. Oh my god. Jump! Guys, look at the and then look at that. Look at the little damage I didn't take, and then Yeah. Horrible. What level is your character? This character is like 425 or something. Did you know how many viewing hours you have to, for that to happen? I'm not sure. I know to get like commercials and stuff, it's like I think 2,000. They lowered it from 4,000. I think it's 2,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours in a year or something? I mean, I could do that on Facebook in a couple of weeks. But that's because I'm built up there and I'm already monetized there. You know what I'm saying? But here's the thing. You don't want followers. This is what people don't understand. People like, follow me. The more followers I have, what? You know what that means? That means you're one of those people that says, I have 80,000 followers on Facebook, and when I go live, only 6 people show up. Facebook's broken. It's like, no, you begged people for freaking follows that didn't want to follow your stream, and they don't follow you. You know what I'm saying? You know, guys, for so long, I used to say, if you like what, I still said it. I said it here. If you like what you see, throw me a sub. You know what I'm saying? Don't, you know, some people will throw you subs to try and, to get to 700. It'd be fun to get to 700. We're at 695 right now. But, so my point is, getting monetized, some people will buy subs. And places in other countries, they have companies, scam centers and stuff, and they will do fake things, and you'll get monetized. And then you know what happens? No one watches your videos and you don't make any money. So it's like you kind of want to build your community and build your content. And then around the time you get 2,000 followers, then maybe you'll make some money at the same time. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So just getting monetized is not the end all, because there'll be no, if you just get monetized, there'll be no money for you. I think it's a great way they do it to make you get good. You know what I mean? So it keeps quality up. They still follow, just stop watching. Yeah. Yep. Some people do. I mean, my problem there was I was too close to him. I know that, like, if I was a melee build, I probably I'd have to be on him, right? And I'd probably do a lot of rolling into him and stuff, you know. And I mean, I could throw swords on him. I could throw swords on, man. We got 2+10s, guys. We got 2+10 Dark Moon Great Swords ready, at the ready. Another thing, guys, I'm using the Magic Scorpion Charm. Now that did get us to phase 1, but like, you know, if I want to kill him, let's just, and this is like, what kind of damage does this fool do? Godfrey, right? What kind of damage? You guys can tell me in chat. Damage Godfrey. See if you guys will answer before this. He's neutral to lightning. However, you can use that. What damage does he take? What's he weak against? He's weak to lightning. I didn't know that. But what damage is he doing? Is it all physical? Godfrey do, maybe? Standard damage. So prioritize defense towards that type of damage. Does that mean physical damage? What is standard damage in Elden Ring? There's like a million more spells than there are physical, right? No matter the build, during phase 1 is important to keep close. He will otherwise dash toward you and stomp, covering AoE in phase 2. Recognize grappling patterns. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do what they just said. Me keeping my range with my melee build, folks. I used to say melee, and everyone got mad at me and said I didn't know how to talk. They said, whoa, I didn't like that. I like my chat better when it was over here. I just changed my window size. There we go. It's better right here. It's better right here. Yeah, so physical damage, pretty much, and they said he'll stop stomping his foot if I stay closer to him. And that's what someone in chat just said too. It's just like I have this ranged freaking spell, and I'm like, wow, I don't want to get close to him. I was scared. He still stomps his freaking foot. Let's go dance with him, guys. We're just going to go dance with him. Oh, wait. I want to change this out for something, though. I don't care. This is what I just killed, what's his name with? This is what I just killed Maliketh with. It was the Crimson Amber Medallion. That trinket, no one uses that trinket. I didn't even drink. Close up streamers. Chicken farm was my go-to. Yeah, but you had to get there first, Jack. Just not even, no, like no chance. No chance. Blue Radagon icon for faster casting. Yeah, that's for sorceries, huh? That could maybe do a whole bunch of help, man. You know what? Because I mean, we got a phase 2, okay? And I got completely screwed, so we had absolutely zero chance to see anything cool about phase 2. I need to work on phase 1 to where phase 1 is simpler. I thought about getting close there, guys, but I don't think I'm going to. I just don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to do what I did when I got my phase 2. I just got to get my jumps off. And I got faster casting now. For big damn, guys. Big damn. Maybe the right. Yeah, we're going to try it, Dave. It's going to feel different, too. It's going to feel weird, man. I want to see it. Why so early? Why do I... Get away from that. Oh, man. That thing will freaking kill you no matter what you do. Poor Green Bay. What happened? Oh, man. I stopped watching when Dallas lost. What happened, man? What happened to Green Bay? I think I might go kill a dragon, guys. No, I'm not going to give up, but well, no, what I need to do is, I feel like I need to stay with what got me to phase 2, but like I said, I think there was some freaking RNG there, guys. I have to be not as greedy too. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm getting caught casting a lot, guys. I'm getting caught casting a lot. Green Bay lost, they're out, huh? So who's in now? Who else was in? Like the Ravens? Away from it. Well, just like you literally can't do. There's no panic rolling allowed, guys. Who'd they lose to? I have no idea. And that event list is like not getting any action. So I'm just gonna shut that one down too and make a little bit of space. Make a little bit of space. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I wonder if I. I don't think we need that. Oh, yeah, because there's people talking on Twitch. Can't find it on Facebook. Okay, that was Astro Wizard. Got you. Yeah, it's not on Facebook, man. They played the 49ers. Yeah, I heard someone was telling me they thought the 49ers were going to be freaking doing some butt kicking. So who's in it now then? 49ers, Lions, and I think someone else in NFC. Wasn't some team called the Ravens or something involved? Like what's a Raven? I don't even know that team. I mean, I guess I could. I hate quitting. I hate changing my strategy, man. Out of here. It didn't kill me. That killed me. Okay, all I had to do was jump it. I'm just gonna have to freaking learn how to slow down and do these attacks right here. You guys want to kill a freaking dragon or something? Because I start not having fun. I need to get to the point where I can get good. I do a lot of times. You guys have seen it. You guys have seen me just like learn the fight, do better. But this fight here, it was like when we were doing this. Actually, this fight with Trey and Drew, and I'm like I'm just so sick and tired of this freaking. He was spamming the foot stomp. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. That's okay. That I need to take a break and get away from it. You know what I mean? I'm having my mind blank, like Charlie, where the Raven's located. Okay. I'm gonna stare at this guy, and I'm gonna jump when he does a foot. I'm gonna try and stay a little bit closer. How come that one didn't take time? He backed off for that freaking stomp. He backed off for that stomp. And see, he's not dying because I'm not being aggressive. You guys know that? And that's the truth. See, now that I'm trying to learn all his movements, I'm not doing much damage. You know? The Baltimore Ravens. And what did it used to be before? The Baltimore Colts? Why did they change it? That Jordan Love quarterback for the Packers is really good. It was Baltimore Colts, right, guys, when I was a kid? How come they changed it to the Ravens, guys? Baltimore Colts, I thought. It was a white hat with a horseshoe on it. Right? You guys remember? I'm going aggressive, guys. I'm still going to try and get my jumps off. Let's see if we can get some damage. Why, I mean, how, that's the dumbest attack in the world. I rolled, and that's why I died. Almost died. Get him! Did I get him? I did get him. Ha! Okay, but see the aggression? And again, the whole reason that thing went to crap was I rolled a jump. I rolled a jump. Colts is in Indianapolis. Ah, Ravens used to be the Browns. And the Colts moved to Indianapolis. Guys, if I'm naming football teams, like, to save my life, I'm like, Baltimore Colts, what's up? You know what I mean? That's how far out of date I am. I was going to buy some funky fresh feelers one time, man. And my buddy laughed so hard. I said, what? I want to get some feelers. He saw Charlie. He said, you like feelers because they were cool like 30 years ago. Now, he probably told me this like 15 years ago. 20 years ago. But he said, you like feelers because they were cool 10 years ago. And he said, but they're cool again now, but like you don't even know that. But like you're just landing on it. You know what I'm saying? It's like I didn't really want to get them because they were cool. I wanted to get them because I want to get me a pair of funky, fresh Fila high tops, folks. And that's about the same time probably the Colts moved to Indianapolis. Okay. Drink up. Drink up. Drinky, drinky. Guys, we almost had phase 2 right there because I was aggressive. And that, you know what? That's usually how a lot of my millennia kills went too. I think back when the Colts used to be in Baltimore. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Jeff. That's what I'm talking about, the Baltimore Colts. To me, that's the name of that. Yeah. I mean, how the hell am I supposed to... When he freaking comes back like this, how the hell am I supposed to freaking know? I know people do it. I know it's possible. How the hell am I supposed to know if he's going to do a big, long, dumb one? Or a short, little poopy? He has a jab, guys. Sometimes he sets up for a knockout, but sometimes he hits you with a jab. I've got to try and figure out the difference. Do this. Let's get in there and see a phase 1, baby. Come on, the messages are burning my... Does anyone else hate when the messages burn their freaking golden vows? I know at some point they were trying to change teams and they were offensive. Yeah. A whole bunch of them got changed. I think. That was the freaking jab again.
Was nobly fought.
I don't know. Now, I guess you know what? Just for fun, guys, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the swords on, guys. I'm gonna put the swords on. We're gonna change out some trinky dinkies. And we're gonna just give him a shot, guys. We're gonna give him a little bit of a melee shot. I did kill the fire giant with no summons, no rune arc, and the 2 Darkman greatswords, right? We didn't use spells. I meleeed the whole time. Fire giant's easy though. It just takes a long time. This is a whole nother fight. This fight you have to be good for like a minute and a half, a minute, and then you get phase 2, right? Fire giant, you got to be. Yeah, you know, the skill gap. It's definitely a little bit lower. Okay, let's go ahead and those we can just switch out. We don't need sorceries. We don't need spell time. What the hell do I put on though, man? Like, he's doing mainly general damage, is what they said. You could pick up some stam. I mean, there's no great trinkets that are going to help me whack this fool. Oh, but no, it is magic damage. Oh, and I still have a scorpion charm on? Or did I take it off? No, I took it off. I took it off. Because it's magic damage. So I'm going to put that back on. Because at least that goes with the build. These things here, I have no idea what trinkets to use. I'm not much of a football. Always been a gamer. Yeah, me too, man. I was into music. I mean, ride motorcycles. I could do jump attacks. I don't think I'm going to get a whole bunch of jump attacks off on this fool. I might. I'm not going to do any charged attacks. Maybe I should be. I mean, that's going to just do almost nothing. I might as well put on some FP or something. You know what I'm saying? Skills. Oh! We got skills. We got skills, guys. We could try this other attack, man. I saw people doing playthroughs with this attack, and we haven't really been utilizing it that much. So we got, what do we got here? We got skills, raises magic attack but lowers damage negation. Sorceries isn't helping me. I'm just gonna run in there and goof around with this guy, guys. Bigger heals. HP. Doesn't matter. I killed Maliketh with this stupid trinket. What's up? Hey, Edgar! Man, I had a problem with Facebook last night, and then I had a problem with Facebook again today, and then on top of that, the workaround I was trying to work to make Facebook work was screwing up. And so I'm just like, you know what? I'm just going to stream directly to Twitch and YouTube tonight for the After Dark. But Chess will be back Monday at 4 p.m. on Facebook. But thanks for coming by, man. And if you don't like if you don't like what you see, if you like what you see, toss me one of those a sub. 697, guys. We get it 700 tonight. That's pretty freaking cool, man. Okay. Oh wait, my physic. Oh, but my physic is magic damage. But I'm telling you, yeah. These swords are magic damage, guys. Okay. Now we just let me get this up. Drink this. Bow up. This is gonna be even funnier, guys. Castro, if you missed it, man, you got to see the Maliketh kill. You'll be watching what I'm doing here, and you'll be like, you won't even believe. Panicking doesn't help me. Actually dodge an attack, guys. Oh, okay, now. Try to jump. That was as good as any of the magic ones, and I never hit him with the sword. Who doesn't like what they see? Charlie playing. Godfrey is tough. Godfrey is tough, man. Godfrey is tough. The reason why the melee thing probably isn't going to be a good idea is because I really... But you know what? It'll make me better, man. It'll make me better. I'll tell you this. Maybe I'm not learning as fast. I know a lot of people... It takes a lot of people sometimes a lot of time to kill certain bosses, right? But I am learning. I am learning. It's just coming kind of slow. Let's do this. See, because these things swing so hard, I don't know when I'm ever going to have an opening. Let's hit him with the swords. They didn't do no damage. They don't do any damage, and I'm way too squishy to do that with the swords. I can already tell that's not good. Did you beat the Fire Giant on melee? Jeff, I did. I did, but Fire Giant's easy. Fire Giant's kind of like Elden Beast. It's just like, you know, there's very few attacks. Nothing's fast. You know, he lifts his foot up. You know what I mean? Okay, you got to worry about the fireballs at the same time. Nothing's fast with the Fire Giant, right? I'm not even... That was dumb. We're not doing that. I think I want to go kill a freaking dragon, guys. I think I want to go kill a dragon because we got this build and dragons are fun to kill. And so I think we're going to kill a dragon, like maybe Fia's dragon? Fia's dragon? That could be pretty cool, right? And this I'm going to take off. What did we have in this spot? Oh, the scorpion. And I'm going to put it there too. I'm going to put it there. Because see, this fight is going to be a little bit... Everything's just slower. You know what I'm saying? Remember how tough Fire Giant was on our first playthrough though? Oh man, dude, I had 12 hours, man. I had 12 hours, but you know what? I still never mastered Fire Giant because my son basically came in and I didn't kill him until I summoned my son. You know what I mean? So we're going like, we're going to run over to a little place called, we got to go do the hugging sequence, guys. The hugging maneuvers. Where's the DRD, man? Is it DRD? Cross the roots. So I never even went to Estelle. Yeah, see, I skipped a lot of stuff this playthrough, man. I need this build for my guy. I like the outfit and everything about it. Caleb, it's fun. It's fun. We got to go do a little... Oh, wait. Do I have this? I don't have this grace yet? What, did I never pick? Did I never touch the grace? I did Fia's champions, right, guys? Charlie's 50. Pull the Fire Giant. Good times. Yeah, man. That was over 12 hours, man. And then when I summoned my son, I think we died on the first attempt because I died. Second attempt, we got him. But after that, I've learned the Fire Giant to where I can... It wasn't a cakewalk. This playthrough was not a cakewalk. And this one does lightning damage, right, guys? This one does lightning damage. She's there, so yeah, we got a dragon. We got a dragon.
Ah, I knew you. What is it you intend to deny like the dogma?
That's right. Wait, no, I want to be held.
You are an odd...
I'm an odd one, she says. She always tells me that. She always tells me I'm an odd one, folks. Fia, check her out, man. Death build with the Lich Dragon. Her dragon's gonna do... Hey, now tell me something. If I have a Baldchin's Blessing in my inventory, does that mean I have the debuff?
Have you ever seen...
Because I've had one this entire playthrough.
When the first god wins out, there is...
And she just gave me another one. I have to click it to get rid of the debuff, right?
My hands, will you still...
How bad is that debuff?
When Godwin another exists, and I must before the time comes.
Is it that bad?
When Godwin died, another...
Okay, so...
Before the...
Okay, leave. So I definitely want to click the Baldchin Blessing she just gave me, right? It took me 2 weeks to beat the Fire Giant, my first playthrough. Yeah, yeah. How many hours? How many hours would you say, Jeff? Because it took me like I wasn't doing very long streams back then, even on Elden Ring, I don't think. It was at least 3 or 4 streams is what it took me, man. And I just kept running back. But the thing about the Fire Giant that's different for me is everything happens so fast with a boss like with a boss like this, or like fighting like a Black Knight Tish or something. Everything happens so fast. I'm like, When it's a little bit slower, man. Maybe I just feel like it's fast. It took me like 2 weeks to beat the Fire Giant. Hey, so I kind of messed up my build and went too hard on Dex and just split Dex, Strength, Arcane, and I'm like level 50 or something. Trips. Do you have a larval tier? Because if you ever do another playthrough, if you do NG pluses and stuff, they'll start stacking up, and you can go respec and get it right. At least 40 hours or more, because I didn't play too long every day, but that's a long time.
When Godwin but another, and I must before the time.
Wait.
When Godwin died, a hollow brand.
Oh, she doesn't have it.
But another exists. Another mark in the shape of the half-wheel wound of the centipede.
Where do we get that? Do we get it from like...
Before the time comes, we receive our Lord.
Does that come from... You guys tell me. In order to fight Fia's dragon, do I have to kill Estelle so I can open the chest in Renala's room? Am I, like, crazy? Curse mark of death. Radon has been a pain on certain playthroughs and stuff, but man, we took him out this playthrough. We took him out. I mean, I don't think I got on the first attempt, believe me. But it was fun. Radon was fun, man. Curse mark of death, is that from killing Estelle? You're stuck on Millennia. Yeah, I'm probably not even going to do Millennia this playthrough, man. If you're new to the stream, anyone here at YouTube that's new, you may have not been made privy to the coffee cam. We have a little thing around here called the coffee cam. I'm gonna show it to you right now. I gotta turn the light on though because it looks kind of shady. I had an idea. I don't know what's going to make the difference, guys. Breaking news. Charlie Sardo Gaming had an idea. Here's the idea. Isn't there a spell here, guys? They wanted me to use it the other day. Isn't there a spell that buffs physical damage. Will that work with Golden Vow? Dave Joyce might know this. Or Edgar. Any of you guys. Anyone that knows. It's a memorized spell. It's going to be called... it's going to be in the buffs. This one. Black Flames Protection. Black Flames Protection. Can I use that with Golden Buff? Golden Vow? I bet you cannot, huh? Because if you can, I'll go respec, because I only need 5 more points for that. And that'll give me like... That'll give me some... a little more work on phase 2 for sure. Does anyone have any opinions on that? Black Flames Protection. I love it. It feels like a perfect mix of Dark Souls and almost Ghost of... Oh, which game are you talking about? Trips. Just sucks wandering around trying to remember where somebody told me. What someone told me 30 minutes ago. Are you talking about this game? Yeah. Yeah, but see, like, if you get a larval tier, which, like, in my inventory, I'm not real big on respecking, man. Is that a key? It's not. What is a larval tier? This should be in here, right? I have 25 larval tears, man. And 12 celestial dews. I've had to go ask the Pope for forgiveness once. Because I got mad and killed Selvius. I have 44 dragon hearts in stock on this character, man. It's crazy. Look at all the cookbooks. I got all these ball bearings that turn in. I don't even turn them in. If you have any boiled crab that will save FP and give physical damage negation, not sure about the spell. Inventorio. I don't think I have any boiled crab, man. I'm gonna look though. I got the amber draft, but I thought I was gonna have to give it to what's his face, and I never did. Academy Glintstone. Did we not do Renal on this character or something? I thought we did. Oh wait. Come on. Nope. This way. Okay, it would be over here somewhere. I don't think I have. Oh, right here, I got 99 of them. I got 99 boiled prawn boost physical damage negation for a time. Dude, that's worth using on a poll. You know, so because we got what I need to do is keep doing what I'm doing. Get better at phase 1. Then now that I know I have that, then like bust a rune arc. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, Queen. What's it called? Right. Where's that grace? I touched the freaking grace, guys. How come there's no grace? Queen's bed chamber. There it is. Yeah, I'm looking in the wrong spot. And then like bust one of those, bust a rune arc, and just be freaking be lazy with the rune arc. Black Flame Protection, good build for Maliketh, HP debuff. Yeah, and I considered if I was not going to be able to kill Maliketh, but I killed Maliketh tonight. And I feel like I don't know what trinket's going to help me. How many rune arcs do I have? 28. Because I had, you know, because Elden Beast, Radagon's something that could be a little bit of a hassle, guys. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to think if I want this or not. I'm going to do what I did, guys. I'm going to put something that makes me live longer. And that way, that's non-physical damage negation. All I get is one of those. You only get one of those, guys. I'm going to just put this in here to make me stay alive longer. And, wait. And I'm going to mix my physic. This is optimal, man. It's optimal. It's freaking optimal. And I want to go kill a freaking dragon. We've done okay with dragons so far. How careful do I need to be to keep Fia and the all-knowing guy alive? Trips, that I don't know, but I never had a problem with it, so I don't know. Shame I missed Maliketh. You can watch the live when you finish. Yeah. Cat. Maliketh is cool, dude. I mean, if you saw my last stream, phase 1, I was just walking in and dying. It was horrible. So I did a whole bunch of playthroughs on phase 1 today so I could get to phase 2 and work it out with you guys. And while I was trying to work phase 2 out a little bit, I almost killed him. So I freaking intentionally died so I could kill him on stream. And then on my first attempt, no, it wasn't my first attempt. It was my second attempt. My second attempt on stream today. I just killed him, man. He just went away. He just went away. He didn't have a chance. Let us put one of those things. Look at it. I have all these beautiful summons here. Dung Eater 10, Black Knife Tish 10, Mimic Tier 10, Nefeli Lu. We don't use her guys. I'm gonna switch my. No, I'm gonna keep him. I'll switch the Mimi out for the for that. Look at all the runes, guys. The runes mean nothing. All those. When you start playing NG Plus, all this stuff just piles up, man. I could cash all that stuff in. I'm not gonna get a level. Oh, I think I should hit the Ball Chin Blessing too. Didn't it debuff me or something? This. There we go. Okay, we're gonna try the boiled prawn thing because I have 99 of them, and I also have now the Crimson Amber Medallion. So this is gonna let me play with the guy longer to get better. You know what I mean? That's what I did earlier. I actually put a bubble tier on me too, just to stay alive longer. It was just about staying alive. It wasn't even about killing a boss. Okay, so drink. One. Dang it. The messages. Okay, I'm going in again. Now Charlie got me loading up Elden Ring. Caleb, it's freaking great. Dude, that one I gotta learn to dodge better, man. Get me out of the poop. That was bad. And he got me with the jab. Dancing much better, man. Dancing much better with them. Now Charlie, you have Elden Ring. What's your damage negation percentages? Sticky Spectre. I didn't even know you could find that. Where is that? I bet it's in status. At least I know where to look for it. Damage negation percentages. Oh, okay, like physical. Physical is 29. Strike is 30. Slash is 30. Pierce is 27. Is that pretty bad? Yeah, at Cat Bolting. Yeah. So, I mean, like, should I change my clothes? I'm a snow witch. But, I mean, I'll change my clothes. I'm just trying to think the best way to, I know a good player, strike needs to go up. How do you get it up? How do you get strike up? Oh, because is that what he's doing, strike damage? So do we, like, look at our inventorio? Okay, now my weight is, well, that's a Snow Witch skirt. Let's go back to status. My equipment load is 44.7 of 120. Like, how much more weight can I take before I start freaking chubby-dubby? Because I could put on something better, man. I could change my clothes, you know what I'm saying? I could change my skirt for something that's got, wow. This thing is way better. Wait. This thing is way better. And it's lighter. Keep the display up, change clothes, watch the changes. Right. Yeah, see, like, just this one right next to it, man, is like, everything is way better. I'm going to do that. I just changed the pants into traveling maiden's boots. They're even lighter, and they're way freaking better stats. Let's look at the hands. These are pretty heavy, but they're, boy, the bull goat or the omen, right? I'm looking for some weight that's not... I just picked up almost a point of weight. Fire, lightning, holy. That's about the same weight as the other thing was. Let me see. What is the amount for weight? Keep the display up. What is the amount for weight? If my weight was at if my weight is at, oh, I got to go to stats, right? 45.4 is my equipment load. When do you start fat rolling? Do you know? Inventory, keep medium build. Yeah, medium load. But when does it go out of medium load? What's the number? Does anyone know the number for medium load? Let's go back to inventory. Nope, let's go back to equipment, and let's just try. I'm going to try and keep the hat, folks. I'm going to try and keep the hat, but all these things are going to... Well, we'll see. See, this one's heavy. 5.5 up to 6.3. With improvements on all that slash and physical and stuff. Not that much, though. Let me see, 5.7, 6.5, 6.5. Yeah, these are slightly better. I bet down here it gets better. Oh, yeah. Oh, but this is a lot heavier. Black feathers. But, I mean, there's got to be something better in black feathers, because black feathers gives you the jump attack bonus. And there's got to be something... Wow, strike. That's going to be heavy. Let's try this one. Guys, look at me. Look at me now, guys. But what about how it looks, though? 35 to 40% of a total. Create heavyweights. Smash the like button, says Caleb Boyd. Thank you, man. 70% is when it goes to heavy load. You can see a particular item that makes your character heavy. 70%. And I'm at 48.2. Is that right? I'm at 48.2. But it says of slash 120. So it's not 48.2% of 120%. Because 120%, it would be 100%, right? I don't understand it. I just know I just put some really goofy looking clothes on, and that have way more strike slash protection, and I didn't get too screwed up. The black dumpling hat, guys. This hat sucks. It's even better than the hat I'm wearing. This one's the one that gives me an int buff, right? Is there a hat that gives me any kind of oh wait. Oh, this one's got definitely some better stuff. Yeah, you have a lot of playroom there to wear heavier armor. Yeah, I didn't realize it, man. I could put on a freaking imp wolf. I could put on a whole bunch of stuff, huh? Let's try one of these heavy, stupid things. Does he look like a winner? Dude. This character looks so dumb, man. I want to use him, but I want goofier pants. So let's go to the pantalones. Now, sometimes, like, I've done astrologer playthroughs twice. Meteorite staff, rock sling, astrologer clothes to the end of the game. And I've done that twice. But I use summons. You know what I'm saying? This is no summons, and so I'm not ashamed to change my pantalones. I'm not like, no. Wait, but are those pants? Those aren't pants. Are those the boots? They are the boots. Okay, good. So we'll just go here, and we'll just see if we can get some heavier boots that have better slash on them. This is, wait, what was it? I saw it right here. This is way better. And those things look stupid. I'm not fat rolling, guys. Do you have great hood buffs magic with loss of HP? Do you have great hoods buff magic with loss of HP? I don't know what that is. You have a lot of player. So running around in the Snow Witch outfit was just like dumb. Crimson Hood helps with health. Hey, cat bolting. Let's check that out. Yeah, but does it look it? Oh, I don't know if I have one though. Crimson Hood, yeah. Does it help with health? Does it have like some kind of passive thing that does something? But it's way worse on all the negation and stuff. I'm trying to. I want to get the numbers up. I don't care about the weight. Like right here, man. The Omen Helm. That's real heavy. Let's see if that does anything stupid to my weight. Equipmentorio, guys. Good. I'm just putting heavier stuff on. Oh yeah, let me look at the number. The Great Hood. All items have back store. The Great Hood. I don't know what it means. Yeah, the witch's robes are super squishy. Yeah. So that was good for the meme, guys. I killed Maliketh with the witch's robes, guys. But okay. These are still nothing fancy. I want something a little heavier. Oh yeah, this has got huge. Oh wait, strike 5.2. Let's put this on and see if we're fat rolling it. But I should be able to tell from status, right? See, 62.7. So can't I just put the bull goat armor on or what? How does that backstory? Oh, okay, yeah. I mean, I could just put bull goat stuff on, right? Is all bull goat? Because remember, it's NG plus 7. NG plus 8. So I have like a lot of stats, you know what I mean? Can I do that? That's not fat rolling, right? I just look fat. Does my hitbox get bigger? Equipmentorio. Yeah, try it out as long as you're still getting medium rolls. Those are medium rolls, right, guys? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Someone's gonna get fired. Hey, lady. So you're saying maybe not the bull goat feet. Now, status. Okay, equipment load is at 90. Right. Okay. So, equipmentorio. Okay, so maybe not 2 bull goat pieces, but the weight is 14. I don't know how far we're over. Let's try this one. 13. It's probably still going to be fat. Yeah, that's what I thought. Equipmentorio. That's okay. 9.6. From 13. This might do it. Still chubsy-ubsy, guys. Guys, we're still chubsy-ubsy. We gotta get this down. 7.9. That's like 1.5 worth, right, guys? Ooh, that felt pretty nimble. Dude. So, yeah, see, I put some pretty heavy stuff on a lot of things, man. So these boots are 7.9. We need lighter weight boots. Fingerprint. I'm looking for something with the high that's lower. weight. This still has some reasonable slash. This one says physical. That's 7.3. It's 7.9. I want it. It's probably not going to work. Hey, there we go. All right. We have guys, and look at us. We're also fashionable. Side stat will indicate if you are in a threshold. Start from the feet and watch your medium build. Yeah, try to. I was like, you're still gonna get medium rolls. I got the medium rolls. Okay, so now, and we have way better stats on everything, guys. Oh yeah, let's look at those stats, by the way. Status. Physical is now 48. Strike is 46. Slash is 46. It was 30. Right? I'm going to take way less damn. I could be aggressive. Be aggressive. I could be more aggressive, guys. That's what I like to do. I like to be aggressive. I just don't want to have to dodge every hit. I want to go with the same stupid trinkets I have on right now, I think. I mean, really, the only one that's dumb is the Crimson Amber Medallion. Let's go ahead and put on the right trinket, and then if it doesn't work, I'll switch right back to Crimson Amber or something. Yeah, man. Mage Tank, absolutely, dude. Check me out, man. That is horrifying and and kind of fun. So it's working for me. Let's do this. I might get. Oh wait, I might get. Sorry, wrong one. I might get a glimmer of hope here if I'm not like taking massive freaking damage, man. Every 2 seconds, right? Okay, I'm gonna be a little aggressive here, guys. I might take some damage because now that I have armor, I don't have to get good. Out of here, jump. I try to jump. Okay, wait, well, I'm still up. Dude! Yeah. Taking way less damn, I feel. That would have killed me first time. And I was doing some damage there. And I had my Scorpion Trinket on. Now what I should do is take the Scorpion Trinket off to take less damage. And then put the Crimson Amber Medallion in to get better, and just slowly get better. We'll look at we'll kind of estimate the percentage of how well I. Oh wait, I guess I should rest, right? Free drink. Yeah, Sticky Spectre. That's really cool, man. I mean, I'll tell you, it's like when I play World of Warcraft. Like every time something drops, I compare it to what I'm wearing, and if it's better, I put it on. I mean, just every time. This game, I'm like, oh, I'm a snow witch with the paddle ball. Like I'm like Jim Carrey with the big styrofoam hat and the paddle ball, going through life, going duh, duh, duh. And it's like, yeah, man, you know, put some clothes on, buddy. Get your freaking clothes on. Okay, now, no messages. Let's do this again. Will he? Yeah. Oh yeah. Changing armor was a maneuver. We're gonna find out. That was a panic roll. They say stay close to avoid that attack, but I'm like, what's so bad about that attack? Okay, well, that was a pretty big attack, buddy. That was a pretty big attack. Oh my God! Jump! Ugh. He's still gonna be a poopy, guys. He's still gonna be a poopy. I just don't see... Tell me this, if I stay close to him, will he not do the poopy where the poopy goes on the floor and it jumps up? Because it's like, that's like instant freaking death for me, basically, if I get hit by the first one. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really know, man. I don't know this fight very well. I've always done it with summons. Or cheese. See, I didn't want to be aggressive. What I want to do is dodge. I don't even know why I'm attacking right now. I guess just to learn some of the timing and stuff, right? I try to roll right there. And that was bad timing on the, I'm dead. It's okay. I'm dodging some attacks at least. And with the, if I can just dodge a few more attacks with the Sacred Scorpion Charm, I'm going to do a lot more damn. Downward Strike is side roll. Lava Split is sprint. Lava Split, yeah, I believe that, man. You know what? The first time that happened with the lava, I tried to roll out of it, and I'm like, I bet that was to run. Downward Strike is a side roll. Okay, we'll see if we can improve those two things right there. Downward Strike is a side roll. Lava Split is pit is a sprint mechanic. But don't you like, if you get stunned, don't you stand up faster if you spam the space bar? Am I wrong about that? I'm buffing in the wrong order. Oh, and do you know if the Black Flame protect me physical damage buff? Oh, I should have used a boiled prawn too. Does that stack with Golden Bow? I bet it doesn't, right? I'll run. I was aiming the wrong way. That lava thing on the ground is rough. Downward Strike is a side roll of it. It is a sprint mechanic. Not wrong. Not wrong. What does that mean? Does you know the buff I'm talking about? It takes 30 faith. It's like Black Flame protect me. It's not flame. Flame grant me strength. It's black. And it's like, it's physical damage. Well, I probably shouldn't have done that yet. But it doesn't matter at this point. Come on, the messages are burning my boiled prawn. I can tell you the buff. It has the word Black Flame in it, but it's a buff. See, when I have that range, oh my god. Liquid protection for HP. Gray bar debuff. But it says yeah, from like Maliketh, right? But it says that it does negates. Does damage negation, right? Let's see. Memorize spell. I'm not saying that's not like I'm just reading it. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm just reading it over here. Increases physical damage negation. Black Flames protection. Do you know if it stacks? Do you know if it stacks with Golden Bow? I could try a moon. You know what? Cat. Duh. Check lore on spell in statue. In statue. I don't know what that means. Oh, are you meaning status or something? I'm not sure. But no. Oh, yeah. No, you know what? The whole point of this build. You know what? I could even do, when I run in, I might be able to do a Terra Magica and a moon. Okay, I'm gonna check that in a second. First thing I'm gonna do is put my spells back, because I had these all set up and I took them all off my bar just to focus on Maliketh. You know what I'm saying? Where the hell is Terra Magica, man? Offensive? Support? Not there. Offensive incantations, support incantations. Where the hell is Terra Magica? I can't even find it. Did I delete it? I don't know what it looks like. It should have some blue in it, right? Well, these are offensive. No. Support. It's not under support. There it is. Got it. Okay, now I'm gonna put in this one. I'm gonna put my Moony Moon, and then in this one I'm gonna put the one I had in there before. Yeah, because if I get a Terra Magica down, I'll do it. I'll whack one down. It's there in supports. Yeah, I just couldn't see it. You have it. I saw it. It's blue. Yeah. I found it. Thank you, guys. Okay. So, oh, I see. Like, you said it'll say something here? I can't really click on those, so I don't really know. The moon. I might get a moon off. It might work. It might not. He might never come near me, and I won't get the moon. I was trying to get moons off in Phase 1 Maliketh. Yeah, not happening. I'd get the moon off and it'd pin me against a freaking wall. You know what I mean? Oh, I could also do the try the Terra Magica at the door trick, right? Whoa, wait a minute, get your right thing. Just go. I was gonna eat the... Oh wait, maybe back here. She's not gonna come. He's not gonna come. That was a jump and I didn't do it. That was a jump and I didn't do it. But see how little damage it did. Run. See, the problem is he always knocks me down in that poopy. But I guess if you're in a poopy, you're knocked down, right? Try Millennia with Tish. It's pretty much the way to go. Although I've killed Millennia with the Mimi before, I'm sure, with the rock sling, because we're getting staggers and we get her like pinned near the door and then just keep freaking hitting her. But you got to tell with the Mimi, if you're going with rock sling, you got to take every other spell off if you want the staggers. In the selection screen, you can press buttons for lore. Status in the selection screen. The selection screen. You mean when I'm back at the Grace? Let's check it. I want to check this out because I want to learn what you're talking about. Because then I'll be able to understand better. Yeah, Caleb, man. I love that Caleb is playing right now. Let me see. Let us know what happens, Caleb. Samurai spell. Here. Okay, let's go find it. It was, you could push buttons for lore. So this wasn't it. Go to magic and look at the bottom. Go to magic. Is it switch view? A black flame incantation of the Godskin Apostle summons black fire within, increasing physical damage negation. However, sacred flasks and other such forms of HP restoration are impaired. The apostles were all embarrassed. All embraced by the glum-eyed queen, and the black flame was their armor within. Okay, so there you go. There you go. But it still doesn't tell me if it stacks with Golden Vow or not. Right? Yeah. I had to hit switch view. That's very cool, though, man. That's very cool. I never went and read anything about any of the spells. I'm just like, let's just do this. Hey, MVK Gaming, what's up, my brother? Your message was retracted. I don't want to know what it said. Okay. See, I just have a feeling if I like boiled prawn, rune arc, and go in there nuts, you know what's going to happen? We saw a phase 2, man. We saw 2 phase 2s. We did. And then we just got away from them. We saw 2 phase 2s in the first freaking, what, 10 minutes or something? 15 minutes? 10 minutes? And then we just get away from them. You know what I mean? Isn't that crazy? I'm taking this off. And I'm putting on my Sacred Scorpion Charm. Or my Magic Scorpion Charm. And then I am going to buff up. I think I'm going to bust a Rune Arc here and just go with it. All items have lore. Dude, that's crazy. I didn't even know that, man. Yeah. Just switch view. So I knew you could switch view on like runes to see how much they're going to give you. I feel like I fall out of the boss fight flow state after doing it over and over sometimes. Yeah, trips. You know what happens, man? That's a real thing. And I'll tell you what. I'll tell you. Breaking news. It's a known thing. Recording in a studio, doing something over and over and over, and trying to get it right. You might make it perfect, but you can take all the feeling out of it. You know what I mean? I know people when they go into the studio to record music, they'll set up. They want to record live first off, or semi-live, but they want to play bass, rhythm, guitar, drums, and a vocal all together, so they sound like a band. They don't sound pasted together, right? And then what they do is they'll do the songs like twice each, and that's it. And if you don't have one, then he'll go another day, but he's not going to play one song 15 freaking times because it'll get burnt out. You know what I'm saying? Now this is a freaking game, right? And when I was doing my Maliketh stuff earlier, I was having a freaking blast. And I'm having fun right now, too, because look how stupid my character looks. And we are going to, now, after all this time, I'm like, I'm just going to try and, like, overpower myself and get a Rune Arc. I'm going to play a little bit aggressive. I'm also going to use the boiled prawn. I'm going to play aggressive, though, guys. I'm going to play aggressive. Look at all that health, man. If that ain't enough, dude, I got 80 freaking big, man. This is NG plus 8, guys. These fools, they're not exactly hitting easy. You know what I mean? Golden Vow. I'm going to use Gold Prawn first. Come on. I hit that last fool with the full moon, too. I get hit with everything, guys. That really sucked because I only got one shot off, guys. Phase 2, man. Phase 2. Now, what if that poop is still on the ground? Dang waterfowl. Yeah, man. You know, back when I could not dodge a waterfowl to save my life, I had to like rune arc and like crimson whatever and like bubble tear and damage negation, and then like you just tank the waterfowl. Yeah, but I do have a rune arc up. I do have a rune arc up, and I'm gonna have to drink mana, and that's gonna take a second, and it's not gonna be easy. The roar doesn't hurt me. Oh, so that I should have run out of. And now I'm dead. Okay. Okay. I never shot at him once. I went to drink mana. You know what I shouldn't have done? I see, I have no idea what's going to happen here. Rune Arc's gone, folks. But I might be able to live without it in a Boral Prawn with that aggressive thing I just did. Second phase easy, not really. I just pretended this. Yeah, right. I have no clue. I know to run away. I see you can dodge. Maybe to the side. That one, I was just trying to get my drink off, man. I just want to get my drink off. But I'll tell you this Renala's full moon is helping on the pole. Because it's, that like debuffs him or something, doesn't it, guys? Aggression. Be aggressive. That hits him a lot. Why do I just have to hit him with everything? I mean, like, I didn't even try. I just assumed it was going to miss me. The damage not bad. I mean, like, I just need to dodge better, man. Millennial Waterfowl, I've seen a few videos saying dodge to the side. I remember it being, you run as far as you can and you'll miss a lot of it. Especially, I think they nerfed it. And then if you just turn, if you're running like this, and then you look, if you turn around and watch her, she'll dash at you and you can totally, oh my God, I'm fat. How to get fat? How to get fat, guys? What does shield work? I have, how to get fat? I don't understand how I got fat. Well, if I take off my swords, does that help? Helps a lot. Yeah, no, I don't know, but I just took my oh man, but by taking those off, I might be able to go back to the bull goat shoes, man. Let me see, status. Yeah, man, I was carrying around those swords. I'm not using them. Did you take off talisman that added the strength of the nerds? I didn't. Yeah, I didn't, but it might have been. I don't know what it was. All I know is we got a lot more room for shoes. This is 7.3. That's twice as heavy. I don't know if we're picking up that much. These are all 13. Try this one. I don't think this is going to do it. I still have it. Way more slash, man. Now my, well, physical, yeah, 44, 42, 43. Okay. Fire Prelate's Greaves was OP. Was that what I should have been wearing? Yeah, you could wear bull goat shoes now. You drop the swords off. You think? Let's try it. They're pretty heavy. I can. Now I look like a total freaking idiot. With the 2 staves. It's freaking horrible. Let's give it a shot. Okay. Not burning a rune arc until I feel a little bit better. But I just burned one for fun, and we got phase 2 with it, but I mean, a freaking rune arc had to carry me to phase 2, folks. You absolutely love to see that. Going in. I've been running about here and full mooning. Hits him every time. Well, pretty tanky. He hit the ground right there, and it knocks me down. I guess if I would have started running directly away from the lava, Mod, you have been blessed. Blessing spell which gives you hope per second. Gives you HO per second. It says on the right hand side of the screen, medium, heavy load, etc. when you change equipment. Does it? Equipment. Okay, so I want to change here on the right side of the screen. Okay, I'm wearing these. Right side of the screen. Medium load. Medium load. Medium load. Medium load. This is higher poise too. This is better everything. These things are crazy. Underneath equipment load. Yeah, I think I saw it. No way you could hit 2 moons that fast without getting hit hard. That would be fun to try. You want me to try 2 moons? I'm a 2-mooner, folks. We're gonna give it a 2-moon scenario. Go like that. These attempts are free. That's what's crazy about this game. It's like, I mean, it costs time. Come on, a message. Okay, Golden Vow's already gone, pretty much. I'm gonna stay a little bit further back. Like about here. I should have never done that. Hey, I got 3 moons off. Almost out of mana. That was really nice of him to do that. Gotta try to freaking hit him again before. I tried to hit him, guys, right away. That was insanely fast. This game is awesome, Rico. Oh, well, so 2. Dude, 3 was good. I did 3. That might be the freak. I might just start spamming the freaking moon. There was a little bit of RNG. I got lucky the way I was able to roll out of the when the thing came, right?
Good service.
I try to get lucky on the jump. I have no idea what to do in that timing. But that was no rune arc. That was just the 3 moons. That was insane. That was insane. If I could get 3 off again and hit him with the 3, that's insane. Yeah, that was my best attempt so far. I actually did damage. Charlie can do this. You guys, I love the attitude. And I love the armor. Cat bolting. I did okay, man. I got hit so many times though, man. Like that phase 1, I could have. You know what I'm saying? It's just all about freaking doing a little bit better, man. What happened, Caleb? Caleb says, "Dang." Okay. Guys, I'm burning a rune arc. I feel like I should probably also... I feel like I might end up running out of freaking health pots. But, I'm not going to worry about it. Okay. Buffing. Oh, I should have done this first. Screwing it up with the rune arc. Okay, okay, 1. Totally botched that, but that's okay. I could increase spellcasting time. Being nice. I try to jump. And now. Yeah. Some things are looking better. Here's volcano in the floor move. You got it. I honestly expected the moons to just get you comboed. Yeah, that DPS was crazy, huh? You know what might be crazier? If I can get it off, is a Terra Magica in 2 moves. Let's see what it looks like. See what I'm saying? The problem is, I hate the freaking mouse. I hate the mouse wheel to change my spells. I hate it because if I go a little bit too far, I'm screwed, and it takes way too much time. Okay, so yeah, I'll walk in with the Terra Magica. I'll pop that while it's casting. I'll do that. Oh, see, I already scrolled up by accident. That might do like, because what does Terra Magica do? This does it tell you? Does it give you a stat, like an exact number of what it does? This game is a joke on mouse keyboard, man. But I'd never used a controller in my life, and when I started the game, I was 54, and it's like I bought a controller and started practicing with it with the stream, you know, and then I was halfway done with the playthrough, and I'm like, guys, the game's almost over. I'm not gonna learn. I'm just not gonna learn it. I'm not gonna learn it. Okay, I want, well, let's just, like, oh, wait, can I not look at this one? Can I not look at it if I have it equipped? Could put Radagon's Talisman on for faster casting time. Yeah, I could, but then but I'm not going to do as much damage because I have the magic Scorpion Charm. And I've always been better at being squishy and aggressive. You know what I'm saying? like people do the level 1 runs or whatever, and they could do almost no damage. Like Little Aggie does the opening boss or whatever, the tutorial boss, and you know he does it for 8 minutes. Yeah, I can't last 8 minutes. You know, 35% increase with Terra Magica. 35% increase, so that would be 70% over 2 and 100% over 1, so no Terra Magica. Yeah. Glass tanks are the move. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. I wonder what playthrough I got all those bro pawns from, man. I'm trying to remember. I don't want to read the message. Okay. Going for 3. That might have been too early. Come closer. Come eat my freaking moon. Oh. Now I'm rolling this stuff. Oh, I try to jump. Dude, I'm like trying to get my spells up. I'm trying to get my spells up and I'm not jumping, I'm just rolling. My spells freaking got messed up and I'm freaking trying to switch mana to, I'm telling you, I hate... Does anyone here know, is there a way to make your mouse wheel less sensitive? Mouse wheel sense? You know, I want to move it like a little bit to switch one spot. You know what I mean? It's not the end of the world. I'm a whiner about it. Be like, Charlie, no, you can't. Get over it. Everyone deals with the mouse wheel. I get it. I'm just like, sometimes I bang it. Sometimes I roll past my spell. It makes me sad. I'm going to get aggressive here, guys. I'm going to get aggressive here. And then maybe, well, we'll see. We'll see what we got going here. Do you have it? Free wheel or clicky wheel? Mine clicks. Yeah, mine clicks for sure. See, like, I think when I went to touch and scroll my, my mana potion from my health potion, I touched it and it went up and it took my spell off. So now I'm out of mana and I got no spell. You know what I used to do? What I've done on... I started using Scroll Wheel on the Madness playthrough. Maybe on the bow. But I did like at least 16 playthroughs. I would take my hand off of my mouse to where I can't move. Or I would keep my hand on my mouse and left-handed, depending on which one. I could move like this, but I couldn't aim. I couldn't do anything, right? And so I'd just be like, okay, and then I'd have to switch. I'd have to scroll through like this, and then come back and click. And I finished a game a ton of times like that, having to completely lose control. You know, this is better. It's better. It's way better. I just have to get it down and stop screwing it up. Okay, let's see. What was I going to do that was any different this time other than trying to do better? Some of the clicky mouses are adjustable. Oh, I see. Maybe rebinding is a better option. Rebinding to what, though? Hold on a second. Let me be sure my door's closed. If you guys don't know me, I live in a really, really quiet, really, really safe place. So when I hear a noise I don't normally hear. It's something. Could be an animal. Could be a neighbors having a friend over. You know what I'm saying? But I heard a noise. I'm like, huh. That's why I just want to be sure my front door was locked. Mouse with buttons on the side or something. Yeah. This is I have a skill set to one side mouse button. I don't know if that would help me more than the scroll wheel feels good. I feel like I just want the scroll wheel to not be so sensitive. Like maybe if it take 2 clicks or something. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna be a little more aggressive this time. Well, no, I can't. That's the only thing. Oh my god, I screwed it up. Yep. I should have ran right there. Whoever told me that, I'm sorry I didn't do it. That right there was, I wasn't in the middle of it. I was at the edge of it. If I would have just ran, I might have made it out of there. Or like ran and rolled when I got out of it. You know what I mean? Yeah. I gotta really focus up, guys. I'm gonna try and focus up now for you guys. Kill this freaking fool. I want to be done with this. I want to be beating my head against Radagon, guys. Let's get this. Let's get this. Moon spam. It's the Charlie Sardo gaming hack. I don't think I hit him with the first one, guys. That was the big one? Why wouldn't I just jump that? And then I try to... That was sick. That was sick. I think I might have got 4 off that time. I think... Do you think I hit him with all 4 of those? Look, I barely hit him, and he was almost 50%. Did you see that? So do we go for 4 moons, guys? Is it the 4 moon scenario? I think I got a little lucky though. I think it was 4. I know I shot 4 moons, but I don't. But his health bar is my question, because I think I might have hit him with all 4. Check your Royal Regal Scepter. Make it in your right hand because it boosts ice spells and moon spell. You know, there's a reason why they told me to shoot with the glintstone, man. Charlie, what's up? Bielski, what are you doing, man? I hit with all 4. Wow, so he just... So maybe I'll try not running quite as far. Maybe on a long stop. If I could get it off, you know what though? I have to hit my freaking scroll wheel. And it's all the way back. It's right before my walking around spell. And so I'm going to have to cycle all the way through. So I'm going to want to go fast, and I'm going to pass it. Then I'm going to end up on Terra Magica or something weird. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's like I get it. I get what you're saying. And, you know, so many times people would tell me the simplest things back when I was like, you know, on my 10th playthrough or whatever. They'll be like, use this spell and use that spell. I'm like, yeah, I can't do that. I can't. I mouse and keyboard. I'm just trying to stay alive. You know, I've gotten better. Like I said, I'm using my scroll wheel like a big boy. Why the hell did they tell me to use the Why the hell did they tell me to use the, this one? Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Trips. When I took Maliketh down to like one hit off stream when I was trying to get comfortable with him, and I just died on purpose. I did that earlier today because I wanted to do it on stream. I had a Crimson and Amber Medallion. I had a Bubble tier and a Hardened tier. I had it was just stuff like to keep me alive. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and I took all my spells off. I took every spell off my bar. When someone said, why don't you try a moon? I'm like, duh, we've been doing that all playthrough. But I haven't been doing that. I took the moon off for Maliketh because it's one more thing to scroll through. Do you know what I'm saying? So I tailored it to Maliketh so everything was much more simple. This could be pretty good, guys. I'm gonna try. So you think I should switch these stabs? So somebody was like going nuts because I kept shooting with the wrong staff, and they're like, switch your hands if you have to, but you need to be shooting with, I thought, with loose hands. So this one is better. Maybe I switched them and I was supposed to be shooting with my left hand. Wait. Oh, I gotta like remove first or something. Wait. That was in my right hand. Or did I just switch them? I'm clueless, man. For as long as I've been playing this game, I'm clueless. Give me a second. And they're up at the top, probably. No, they're not, all right? Carrion is in my right hand. Loose that's in my left hand. Yep. Okay. So that's what you want. You want carrion in my right. You think that'll do more damage? Caleb, you did it. Oh, you get to phase 2. Do you have Star Shower? It has really good tracking, says Bielski. That I don't know. But that is a whole nother build, and I am trying to... I already sacrificed my Snow Witch uniform because it was a joke. Not to say that this character is anything to be proud of, but I don't want to start changing off the frost spells and stuff. Should help. Cool. Do you have Star Shower? Star Shower, man. If I get to the point where I'm getting off of these spells, I'll consider it for sure. What's going on, Bielski? How you doing tonight, man? So did Caleb Boyd say first time? Oh, first time to phase 2. Nice, dude. Congratulations, man. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm trying to 4 moon this fool. This is not going to reach him, though, guys. I just don't see how it could reach him. Okay, well, so... You were right. I thought we were kind of getting RNG with 3 moons. But I know I got lucky on the 4 moons. I know I got lucky on the 4 moons. First one missed. Yeah. Oh, did the first one miss? Are you supposed to roll into that? Into what? First move after the cutscene got me. Oh, yes. Yeah, you have to untarget. Caleb, untarget and run straight forward under her. And untarget her, though. My target is pushing my mouse button. My scroll wheel, that's another problem. When I push my scroll wheel, if I move a little bit, something moves. But yeah. The minute you spawn, start running forward, untarget her, and just start running forward. And I always roll like when I think she's gonna hit, but I just think people just run forward. Yeah, I go forward and I'm kind of getting close to the wall, and I kind of like cut to the right to get a little further distance. I'm good, brother. Just hanging out after watching UFC tonight. How about you, man? I saw the post about the gigs, man. That's great. Oh, dude, yeah, man. I woke up to two gigs, cool gigs, man. And I played a cool gig last night. So I'm excited, man. I'm gonna go play some guitar tomorrow. I'm not gonna try the silly. Oh, Golden Bow, come on. Okay, I'm not gonna try the silly 4 moons again, guys. I tried 4 moons, guys. If you guys didn't know, that's what happened. 3 moons. Come closer. And the timing was bad, but I was okay. What am I supposed to do right there? I'm dead, right? When that happens, I'm now 100% dead. The first one missed again? Okay. So I gotta just come a little. Maybe I'll just do 2. We're asking a lot for even the 3. The 4 was almost just a joke. You know what I'm saying? Do you agree? I mean, it's kind of nice to get 2, right? It's kind of nice to get 2 moons off. That's kind of a lot to ask. Yeah. Oh, man. I think I got it. He stayed so far back, I kind of might have kidded myself. Oh my god, I thought I had more time than that. And now I'm dead. Well, maybe not. I mean, like, I just get hit by everything. I think this is a good time for me to stop fighting this boss. I really do. Before it was too much, set you up. Because I'm not. I think I need to do a little bit more research. And I mean, I always say this. I always say, like, I want to do something else. And what do? We went to go kill Fia's dragon. It's like, oh, okay, I have to kill Estelle. Screw that. I just came right back to this, right? I need to stop having that mentality and just freaking stay on it. Like, for instance, just run in and buff and don't try and kill him. I mean, like, buffing is not bad because it'll keep me alive, right? I literally want to take the messages off. They're starting to freaking make me mad. Okay, I am going to buff because it will keep me alive. Did I just roll the bell twice? Probably. So you're going to call it. No, I'm not going to call it. I was just maybe going to call this boss and figure out something else to do. Like, yeah, I didn't hit it with very many of those. I literally took my eyes off the screen to switch to my mana pot. So yeah, I know. And the way to do it, the way when I had him at 30% was aggression. You know what I mean? It was aggression. And that was before the 2 moons, wasn't it, or no? Because the first time we did the multiple moons, I still only got him at 60%, but I hardly hurt him. You know, like they chunked him. I'm gonna run a little further and go 2 moons, guys. That's what I'm gonna do. Go and then I'm gonna just try and play aggressive and just try and get phase 2. This is my goal. And I gotta jump. I gotta roll to the side. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Two moons, folks. I'm dead. Now, will he stop doing that if I stay close to him? That's how it is for me. You have to take every chance at damage and be perfect in your dodges. Right, right. Although I'll tell you, time for a confidence skill. Right. Work Moonblade, right hand, Regal Staff, lefty. That'll be hard for me, man. I mean, that'll be hard for me. I tried the Ash on the Great Moon. You say Moonblade. You mean the Great. The swords I'm using are the Dark Moon Great Swords. And I tried the Ash on him. It does okay, but it's just like casting a spell. You know what I'm saying? And those things are freaking heavy. What was it going to do that was different here? Yeah, my skills all there. Yeah. And I already vowed before I drank, but that's okay. Did it do it? Horrible buff sequence. I had to jump. I'll jump again. Oh, wow. I got mana too. Come on! I didn't know there was going to be 2. I know it was... Look at that. That's 50%, guys. We were going to the ball, guys. We're going to the dance. That was better. That was better. I just need to kind of keep doing like that, only a little bit better. Dude, I wish Maliketh would have taken a little bit longer just for the stream. You guys, man, you just got to get that timing down. That's exactly right, BLC. Thank you for the freaking... I do have to get the timing down. But I still don't know... Oh, yeah. I said I was going to see if I could stay closer to him. Because when he does that big thing in the middle, I'm just not okay. I'm just dying. I die to that pretty much every time. Now, a couple of moons. The moons are hilarious, guys. It's hilarious that we're getting moons off. This one might not hit because I started going for 3. doing 3. I'm going for RNG, guys. I want to get closer. Oh god, I hate that one. I hate that one too, but I'm gonna heal a little bit. I didn't drink. Oh wait, I did drink. Oh, I rolled out of it. See, I'm over here with my right hand, no hand on my mouse, trying to change my, trying to do this. Trying to change my health pot. It's amazing how I was able to even kill Maliketh, guys. Do you know that? I mean, well, it's amazing how I've done all this stuff. But I mean, just with how much trouble sometimes I have with these little things. But I know sometimes people get stuck on these freaking bosses for days and weeks and stuff. I just expect more of myself. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of rough. There we go. Mooney. This. And a little bit better. I went 3 moons that time. I'm gonna see if... Yeah, he's not coming yet. No excuse for getting hit by that one. That's right. I've done it 7 over and over and not know how to improve it. Exactly. That's the thing. When I hit a wall... See, right now, what I'm doing is... Right there, I was trying to anticipate and trying to dodge. I know it didn't look like it, but I really was. And so I really wasn't doing very much damage. But you can't do the damage if you freaking keep getting hit. I'm gonna try and stay on top of him, just for fun, guys. I'm not even gonna freaking buff. I mean, I probably should have buffed. I don't know why I would even go for a swing there. See, I'm trying to get comfortable with dancing with them. You know what I'm saying? That's how I felt about Millennia. I thought, like, at the beginning especially, I'm like, I can't even fathom killing this freaking beast. I need to just go in there and just dance with her, kind of get a feel for what she's doing, you know. Different builds make the challenge each time. Charlie, they do, man. This is a no summons build. I guarantee you right now, if I made a summons, and I'm not going to, if I pulled a freaking dung eater out right now, guys, we'd be on Elden Beast. We'd be on Elden Beast, man. I could finish the game right now, but that's not the challenge, guys. That's not the challenge, because the most important thing is not to finish the game. The most important thing is to challenge yourself to finish the game. Here we go. Okay. Oh. I'm trying to look over my head and see if it hits. It hit, I think. Why would I do that? I kind of misjudged his health bar. I'm like, I just want to give him to phase 2. That's why I went for that third shot. When you get the boss though, and you know what they're gonna do and react without thinking, it's the best feeling. Trips, it is, and I'll tell you, that's what I did with my Maliketh today. I got the first phase down. I got the distance down, and I was like, I was going very, very well on my first phase to where then I got to work on phase 2. It's really hard to work on phase 2. Like right now, if I get phase 2, I really only get to play phase 2 once, right? And so I'm not warming up to phase 2. You got to get phase 1 down, and then you start working on phase 2. You know this. It's kind of a trip the way that works, man. It's kind of a trip the way that works. But 3 hours ago, what do we got here? Dave Joyce liked it. Oh yeah, those are all the likes on the Facebook thing. Those are all on Facebook. Streamlabs. How come it's not showing? I know we got subs today, man. 697. Did we get any more subs, folks? I want to refresh this. 699. Oh, I'm streaming until 700 subs. Guys, I'm going to. I mean, someone sub. Someone let me go. Someone let me go to bed. Actually, I don't want to go to bed. Oh my God, it's 1:30. I literally thought maybe I'll go to the bar, man. My friends are down there. They're playing. It'll be fun. Wait. Yeah. I thought it was going to be like 10 o'clock, guys. 10:30. I'd be like, I'd throw my guitar in the car, you know, maybe you just go down and say hi, you know. Sometimes they're like, hey, you got your stuff, you know, and then you play a little guitar, have a drink. It's like, not happening, guys. Not happening at 1:30. I need that one last subscriber on Facebook. Please give it to me, baby. I want to sleep good. I never thought I'd get 700 today, man. That's a lot of freaking subs today, man. That's a lot of subs. That's pretty cool. Come closer, baby. I need you to come closer. Come a little bit closer. You're my kind of man. I don't think all 3 hit. Okay. I went for the drink, guys. He's not letting me. He's not letting me, guys. He wouldn't let me drink. I wonder when you drink there. I think the way you drink there is you don't get hit before that. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, you gotta either get like a phase 2 or really put in time or videos and stuff, I guess. But right. Yeah. See, I have no problem having people suggest things to me. I have no problem watching some videos. I just know when I start hitting walls. But see, right there felt pretty good, man. You know what? Did it not? Was that bad? That didn't seem that bad to me, man. A little more aggressive on the moons, folks. See? Dude, it just switched. I swear I didn't do anything. Maybe it's broken. Maybe it's broken. I took a few steps further. First one hit. Man, I'm telling you, when you screw the timing up, when you screw the timing up on the one roll, you screw the timing up on the first roll, then freaking, at least for me, then every other roll is just completely off. You know, your left hand is not benefiting your damage. It's not being used. Oh! See, that's why they made me switch it last time, because I kept shooting with my right hand. Oh, yeah, so you want me to shoot with my right hand. Okay. Need shield, I think. You say that, Sticky. Here's the deal. That's like saying I need a controller. Because I started a shield playthrough on, like, playthrough number 16. Because I had never used a shield ever in this game, ever. I've never used a shield. So I started a shield, and I actually played around and actually did a parry, and I was like, whoa, that was so fun. And, like, not far into the playthrough, I was carrying the shield and not using it. So I just took it off. Yeah. So it's like, yeah, it would be cool. It would be cool. But like, like that would be like me starting Elden Ring over again, and I'm on freaking this boss, and I gotta learn how to use a shield. I could do it, maybe. Might help. Yeah, I've never used a shield. No, okay, on the shield playthrough, I used it. I think I used it on Margit. I think. I stopped using it. I stopped using it. I wasn't using it. I've never used a shield. Yeah. So it's like, why is shield like a way you like, is that kind of like a last resort thing? Like, yep, sorry, man, gonna have to go to the shield. You can't do it without it. Okay, use my right button. Now I gotta look and see where he is. I shouldn't have done that. Get me out of here, Wilma! You probably should hit me with that. Oh, that was... Wow, I can't believe that. That was mana. Dude, I had him there, man. That was good. I drank mana instead of health, and then I started thinking, okay, I got to switch to my freaking health pot. That was good. I mean, it was close. The difference there would have been literally if I just would have had reasonable amount of health and then hit him one more time and freaking go to phase 2 with reasonable amount of health. Then we could start learning freaking Horaloo melee. I mean, not melee, but no summons, man. The no summons makes it hard, guys. Well, guys, did I get my freaking... Man, if... Just everyone here sub. Let us get 700 subs. Let me see. Let me refresh that. I would love to have 700 subs tonight. $6.99. $6.99. I'm going again. I'm going again, folks. I want the sub. If you don't sub, this sub is for you, okay? This sub is for you. One. Okay. And drink. Okay. And get that. Wow. Oh, was I shooting from my right hand? Did you notice? I should be okay here. I could have done another one. Oh, because the first one didn't hit. One hit. God, get me out after the cavalry. Early game. Yeah, I never use on my first freaking Margit, I didn't use a shield. I didn't use a shield on trash, on anything. I just never did. I used one as a meme to try it later. You know what I mean? I'm like, I'm going to try the shield. And you know what's funny too? I know I got subs tonight on stream, and Streamlabs did not alert for it, man. It's weird. Yeah. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to call it. I freaking love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Hey, Kevin, thanks for being here. Lose that stuff in your left hand. Use that for Glintstone. Craig. Carrying scepter for moons. Lose that. Oh, is that the idea, Kevin? Well, I have to try it now. I know, I'm the worst when I say I'm going to leave, guys. I don't always leave. When I start, it sounds like I start winding up, wrapping up. Okay. I know what you're saying. Now we just have to put it to use. Okay. Drinky. Poopy. Okay, and okay, so okay, so the moon's for the right hand. I don't know if it's gonna hit him. Hit him. Got lucky there. The poopy got me. It didn't. Why am I doing that? Yeah, and he knows when. He knows when to. That was actually, guys. That was. If I could put together the good parts and then do it again for another 15 seconds. That's it. That's it. Welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy and abide by our community guidelines. Learn more. You're right, handing moons. Put golden vow on left. What? I thought you wanted the moons on the right hand. The moons on carrying Regal Scepter and Lusats for the Crag thing. That was good until the health battle. Yeah. Yeah. I used Lusats for the moon, I thought. I used Lusats for the moon, I thought, and then the other one for the Crag, no? I thought I did. I don't know, man. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much, guys. If you're watching on Twitch, thank you. I'm sorry I didn't get the chat up tonight, but we're here on YouTube too, and thank you guys for all coming over on YouTube, man. What a great stream, dude. I didn't expect to have this many people here. We had a really good stream, actually. And if you guys missed anything and you're like, boy, this guy sucks. This guy sucks. All I did was watch him freaking die to freaking Godfrey all night. Just go back to the beginning of the video. Just go back to the beginning and watch Maliketh, and you'll see that I can do stuff. Like I said, plus I made it here without a summons, so I can do this. If this was the first boss and someone saw you and you'd be like, oh yeah, this guy really sucks, man. It's like he can't even kill the first boss. I've killed every boss up to this point with no summons, so I could do it. I could do it, guys. We'll do it tomorrow, man. We'll do it tomorrow. We'll do it big. It's going to be absolutely magical, man. So thank you, guys. I freaking love you guys. Appreciate you guys. And I'll catch you guys. I know I'm going to stream tomorrow. Because, guys, I have a lot of free time right now, and I'm loving streaming. I'm loving playing this game. So I'm going to do a little bit of research. Maybe a couple pulls myself. Not going to lie. A little practice. Kill this boss, and then worry about Radagon. Freaking love you guys. Thank you, guys. Drop me a sub. Hit me 700 subs.